Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mirvan Hendri, NPM 210400043. Today, I want to present my seminar proposal. The title is A Narrative Analysis of an English Teacher's Experiences in Using Prezi Presentation in Teaching Writing. So, we start with Chapter 1. Background of the study. In the background of the study, there is 4 points. The first point is the students have a little interest to writing skills if compared to other skills. And the second point is the students have some problems in generating ideas and starting to write. And the third point is traditional methods of teaching writing have been criticized for failing to engage students. And the last point is Prezi presentation has effectiveness in teaching writing. Next is identification of the problem. So based the background of the problem above, the writer identify the problem of analysis of an English teacher's experiences in using Prezi presentation in teaching writing. And the next is limitation of the problem. The researchers focus and emphasize the research narrative analysis of an English teacher experience in using Prezi presentation software in teaching writing. Next is research question. There is 2 research questions. The first is what the effectiveness in using Prezi presentation in teacher writing. And the second question is what is the teacher's experience in using Prezi presentation software in teaching writing. Purposes of the study. The first purpose is to know what the effectiveness of using Prezi presentation in teaching writing. And the second purpose to know what is the teacher experience in using Prezi presentation software in teaching writing. Next is benefits of the study. For the students, the findings of the study will motivate teachers and students to use Prezi presentation software to improve their writing skills through the software. And the second benefit is for other researchers, the result of the study are expected to be enough the resources to gain wider knowledge and experience about teachers' experience in using Prezi presentation software for teaching writing. Next is definition of the key term. Prezi presentation is defined as a website-based online presentation application that has advantages on the visual, interactive side and is able to build synchronization between teachers and students participants. And the next is teaching writing. Teaching writing is the process of interaction between the students and the teacher in the classroom that result in the written product. Chapter 2. Theoretical review. In theoretical review, there is 3 points. There is Prezi presentation, teaching writing, and English teacher experience in using Prezi presentation software in writing. The first is Prezi presentation. We start with the definition. Listianto states that Prezi presentation is an interactive and visually pleasing tools that use zooming and spatial relationships to present information. It is an internet-based presentation software that allows the users to store their presentation online. Prezi presentation has several advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of Prezi presentation software: the first is easier to customize. Second is efficient organization and planning. The third one is cross-platform availability, and the last is expert in different formats. And the disadvantages are malfunction of presentation. The frequent zooming in and out movement can be a bit overwhelming, and the last is monotonous style. The second point is teaching writing. The definition of teaching writing is a mental process of generating ideas and thinking about how to present them effectively in the form of a written text. Writing is a complicated subject that students should be mastered in the high school beside the listening, reading, and speaking. The purpose of writing, stated by Chris Juswijk, 2012, that is to inform, to provide information about a specific issue or topic. And the second is to educate, to broaden someone's knowledge or expertise, often for academic or professional purposes. The third, to entertain, to provide fun and amusement. The fourth, to inspire, to positively influence or motivate others. And the last is to persuade, to argue that a certain action should be taken. And the last point, English teachers' experiences in using Prezi presentation software in teaching writing. By integrating Prezi into writing instruction or teaching writing, English teachers can create a more engaging, interactive, and visually stimulating learning experience that can be enhance student writing skills and their overall understanding of the writing process. Next point of chapter 2 is related findings. In supported the truth of this research, the researcher reviews some related findings which discuss the same problem with the research. The finding is reviewed from Listianto, 2016, and titled A Narrative Analysis of an English Teacher Experience in Using Prezi Presentation Software in Teaching Vocabulary. The study showed that Prezi Presentation Software effective and improve students' learning, especially in writing and vocabulary. And the next is conceptual framework. From the table, that is related between English teacher experiences with who use Prezi presentation software and that can be improved to teaching writing. Next is research methodology. The first is research design. The researcher will use narrative inquiry method. And the second is participant of the research. The participant in this research are English teachers in SMAN 1 Kota 11 Tarusan. Next is instruments of the research. The researchers will use instrument review. The researchers will interview English teachers in SMAN 1 Kota 11 Tarusan. And the next is technique of data collection. The researcher will collect the data by interview English teacher in using Prezi presentation in teaching writing. The last is technique of data analysis. The technique of data analysis use narrative inquiry. The narrative inquiry process have five stages. The first is organization and preparation of the data. The second is obtaining a general sense of the information. The third is the coding process. The fourth is categories or terms, and the last is interpretation of the data. Okay, that's the presentation of proposal from me. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.